Hello kids, welcome to English class. We have completed our literature chapter number 4, The Trumpet of the Swans, and today we'll be doing a bit of grammar. Okay, we'll be doing present continuous tense in detail. Before we go to present continuous tense, we will know what is a continuous tense. A continuous tense is an action which is happening continuously without a stop. Okay, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम बोलेंगे प्लेइंग, प्ले के साथ हमने ing डाला है, प्लेइंग, इट मेक्स द एक्शन कंटिन्यूअस. ओके, इफ आवर एक्शन वर्ड इज सिंग एंड वी यूज ing इन द एंड ऑफ इट, SING, सिंग, लास्ट में ing यूज करेंगे तो वो एक्शन हो जाएगा कंटिन्यूअस. ओके, in order to make any action continuous, we have to add ing along with it. So please remember, every time please link the word ing to continuous. Continuous tense ing होना चाहिए उसमें. Okay, first and most simple point. Okay, ing should be there in the verb, then it is continuous. There are 3 sessions of this continuous tense which we will be learning in detail. That is present continuous, past continuous and future continuous tense. Today we will be focusing on present continuous tense. आप सबको पता है what is the meaning of present. Present means जो अभी हो रहा है, right now. Present means now, right? Past means जो हो गया है, जो action has already happened. Future means जो action बाद में होगा. But present means the action that is happening now. Okay, continuous means an action that is ongoing or in progress and it is not stopped or completed yet. Okay, so now as you know what is present and continuous, let us define what is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to describe actions happening now and the action is in progress. Present continuous tense is used to describe actions happening now, जो अभी हो रहा है, and the action is in progress. Means वो action अभी भी हो रहा है, वो अभी complete नहीं हुआ है, the action is still in progress. You have to remember these 2 main words, now and progress. Action that is happening now and the action that is in progress, उसको हम present continuous tense बोलते हैं. Okay, we will understand it better by reading these examples. Okay, our first example, please look at the picture. Our first example is a man is working and he's saying I am working. Okay, what does this mean? I means the person. Okay, am means abhi. I am working. Work is our action verb. उसके साथ हमने ing डाला है to make it continuous. And what does the word am say? I am working मतलब मैं अभी, now I am working. Okay, so I am working. Look at our second example. Tom is driving to work. Tom is a man who's wearing the red t-shirt and he's sitting in the car. His name is Tom. ये Tom क्या कर रहा है? वो ड्राइव कर रहा है, अभी भी ड्राइव कर रहा है. His action is continuous. So हम क्या करते हैं? ing we will add with drive. Tom is driving to work. Children, can you tell me the spelling of drive? Drive का spelling क्या होता है? DRIVE, drive, right? In this we have taken out the last letter of drive, E को निकाल के हमने ing डाला है. Okay, so you have to be careful when you add ing to the words. We can't say it as DRIVEING, the spelling will be wrong. So E को निकाल के फिर हम ing डालेंगे. Okay, Tom is means पहले नहीं था, बाद में नहीं है, अभी. Tom is driving to work and he is still driving. उसका ड्राइविंग खत्म नहीं हुआ है. Okay, our third example. We are studying English. We means हम इंग्लिश पढ़ रहे, अभी भी पढ़ रहे, वो कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है. We are studying English. Okay? And our fourth example is Ali is swimming in the pool. Ali, a boy named Ali, is swimming in the pool. The action which Ali is doing is swim. उसके साथ हमने ing डाला है to make it continuous. Ali is swimming in the pool. And the word is gives us a clue that it is happening right now. Present tense में है. Okay? Now you all will be thinking, when will I use is, am or are? Is, am or are the words which tell us it is present tense. Now you must be confused. When will I use is? When will I use am? When will I use are? Okay? So we are going to learn when we'll be using is, am and are. Okay? Okay kids, this picture will help you to know when you will be using am, is and are. Am, is and are verbs which will tell you which tense it is. Is it present tense, past tense or future tense? So is, am and are used for present tense. Present tense represent करने के लिए हम ये words use करेंगे am, is and are. Okay? So am is always used with I. Okay? I can say I am teaching. Okay? I am teaching. I can never say I is teaching or I are teaching. वो गलत हो जाएगा. Okay? I am teaching. Okay? I के साथ हमेशा am. Next is he, she and it. ये he, she and it are the subjects. इसके साथ हमेशा is use होगा. Okay? He is playing. She is playing. It is playing. When are we using it? It is used for a non-living thing or an animal. Okay? It is playing means the dog is playing. Okay? It can be like that. And we, you and they के साथ हमेशा use होगा are, because it is plural, right? There are more than one person. When we say we, you or they, it is plural subjects. उसके साथ हमेशा are use होगा. We are playing, you are playing and they are playing. And kids, you have to remember this. It is very important. I के साथ हमेशा am, he, she और it के साथ हमेशा is, and we, you and they के साथ हमेशा are use होगा. Got it? Very good. Now we will see more examples in order to make your concepts clear. Okay? Okay children, our first example is I am eating a cake. यहाँ पर हमारा action word है eat. Right? Our action word is eat. We will add an ing to it to make it continuous. Am is giving us an idea that it is in the present tense. So I am eating a cake means मैं अभी एक cake खा रही हूँ and अभी भी खा रही हूँ. मेरा खाना अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है. I am eating a cake. In the same way, he is walking to school. Our action verb here is walk. He is walking to school and we already learned that he के साथ हमेशा हम is ही डालेंगे. Okay? Our third example is Rohit is talking to his friend. Rohit is a boy, so instead of he, we have used a boy's name. So it is the same thing. He होगा या कोई भी एक लड़के का नाम होगा तो we will be using is. Okay? Rohit is talking to his friend, which is our action word here, talk. Our next sentence is she is singing a song. She is a girl's name. Reena is a girl's name. So she के साथ हमेशा is use होगा and our action word is sing. To make it continuous, what did we do? We added ing to it. So sing is our action word. Our next sentence is Reena is dancing on the stage. Reena is a girl. She is dancing on the stage. Yeah, we write a name. Reena is dancing on the stage. Which is our action word here? It is dance. Dance को हम ing डाल के dancing. dancing on the stage. Okay. Next one. It is barking at us. What is it, my dear children? I already told you. It means a non-living thing or an animal. Okay. It is barking at us. Which is our action word here? Bark. Next sentence is, we are going to work. We are. Please note this, we are, plural. We means plural. There are more than one person in this situation. So we are using we are going to work, which is our action word here, go. Okay. Next sentence, you are watching a movie. You are watching a movie, which is our action word, watch. They are having a party. Again, they is a plural. There are more than one person in this situation, so we are using they are having a party. Okay. Have is the action word. And the last sentence is, Ram, Ravi and Reena are having a party. Right? Ram, Ravi and Reena are having a party. We have used are here because there are more than one person. Okay. Hope you all are clear with this. Okay. And in all our examples, if you see, kids, the blue, I've highlighted the words in blue. They are our action words. And the one in red are our helping words, which help us to know what kind of tense it is. Okay. These are our helping. Red ones are the helping verbs, and the blue ones are the action verbs. Okay. So in order to get a better idea of present continuous tense, I have an assignment for you. Please complete that assignment, and we will be discussing more about this grammar topic in our live classes. So please do attend your live classes without fail. Okay, attendance is compulsory. Please attend your live classes. Thank you so much for your time. Please revise this and complete your assignment. Thank you. See you in the next class.